As you know, Government of Gujarat has issued circular on 24th of May 2020 with regard to examinations, admissions and academic calendar. I would like to request all of you to note some of the important points with regard to examinations of 2020. First of all, the Maharaja Sahaja University of Baroda is going to conduct examinations of only final semester of final year students at the undergraduate level, and at the postgraduate level we are going to conduct examinations of all semesters. Unlike past, the question paper will be of 2 hours duration. The examinations for undergraduate final semester and postgraduate students only will be conducted in 3 shifts. The first shift will start at 8:30 AM in the morning and it would end at 10:30. The second batch or shift would conduct examinations from 12 noon to 2 PM, and the third shift, the examinations for undergraduation and undergraduation final semester and postgraduation will be held from 3:30 to 5:30. For the other students of the first year and second year of degree and third year of degree for Faculty of Technology and Engineering, known as intermediate examinations, we would conduct we would not be conducting examinations, but the list showing their marks would be declared in the first week of June, considering their performance, which will be calculated by taking 50% weightage of the result of their first semester and remaining 50% of the results of the mid-semester examinations or the internal test. If any student thereafter who is part of intermediate examinations wishes to improve his or her academic grade, can appear in the examinations which will be conducted in November-October 2020. But those students who are appearing in final semester of undergraduation and postgraduation, if he or she has any backlog etiquette of the previous academic year, he or she shall also be required to appear in those examinations, and he or she will be required to clear those examinations. The other aspect is that for final year students and for post graduation, the syllabus covered in the classroom till 14th of March only will be considered for the purpose of paper setting. Whatever syllabus covered under online classes will not be considered for the purpose of paper setting. And the syllabus for the regular students and syllabus for the etiquette, those students who are having backlog of the previous academic year, the syllabus would be the same. As you know that large number of students of our university, they stay outside Gujarat and they have reached to their hometown. The MS University of Baroda today, in the meeting of syndicate and considering the request received from all stakeholders, it has been decided unanimously to start conduct of examinations from 20th July 2020. It means students now they would get more than 50 days for preparing for the examinations. Those students who are not required to appear in the examinations, that is the students of first year and second year, they should understand that irrespective of their past academic record, if he or she has not appeared in the first year, either in the mid-semester or in the semester examinations, we would allow him or her to go to the next semester under the scheme which is known as merit-based progression scheme. But if he or she has any backlog, then he or she shall be required to appear in those examinations simultaneously, which will be conducted by the university. Now, as you all know that we are all passing through COVID-19. So in that case, when we would conduct examinations for those students of final year, final semester and post-graduation, we would observe social distancing, and during the first and second and third shift, we would sanitize the examination halls completely. And those students who are not in a position to appear in the examinations which we would conduct from 20th of July, because we are not sure about the circumstances that we would be facing on 20th of July, and if he or she is unable to reach at Vadodara, if he or she is unable to appear in the examinations, they should not get disturbed. Their examinations will be held once again in the month of October-November 2020, and that examination in which he or she would appear, it would be considered as regular trial, and then there will not be any adverse effect on their academic performance or in the issuing of the mark sheets. What I would suggest to all the students, that you please do not get carried away with the information that you get from any other source. Whenever you get any news about the examinations, please check it. We have decided to constitute a cell to guide you, to provide you counseling under the guidance and the leadership of Professor R.C. Patel, who will be the convener of the cell, Dean Faculty of Commerce, Dean Faculty of Science, Dean Faculty of Arts, Director Computer Center, Director Health Center, and Professor Ranjan Iyer and Sri Satyakant Sastry CA. They are the members of this cell who would provide you necessary assistance. We have also decided to constitute similar cell at the faculty level. So, once again, I would like to make it explicitly clear that the MS University of Baroda would conduct examinations of final semester of the undergraduation and for all semester of the post-graduation from 20th of July. And I request students to start preparing. The syllabus would be uploaded on 5th of June for all those examinations which we are going to conduct. And as I told you, the syllabus covered till 14th March only will be considered for the purpose of the paper setting. With this, I convey my best wishes to all of you, and you can reach to MS University of Baroda via email to the office of the registrar or to the examination sections in case if your query, it will be responded immediately. And you please take care of yourself, stay safe, stay at home and start preparing for the examinations. Our best wishes are there on behalf of MSU to each and every one of you. All the very best.